Welcome to the Microsoft Ads Training Kit Chapter 21. How to spy competitors' ad using Ad Preview and Diagnostics tool. In this video tutorial, we are going to take a look at how to spy competitors' ad using Ad Preview and Diagnostics tool, step by step. So let's get started. So from our Microsoft Ads dashboard, go to Tools and select Ad Preview and Diagnostics. Here first you need to enter your keyword/search query. Then enter your language and domain, choose from this drop-down list. Then select your device. Let's enter diet in keyword/search query and click on Preview button. Here you can see diet-related ads. They have ad mentioned before their descriptions. You can see so many ads here. So they are all about diet. Let's search for weight loss and click on Preview button. Here you can see weight loss related ads and more search results. Now let's search for woodworking and click on Preview button. Here a little below, we can see ads related to woodworking. So like this you can spy on competitors' ad using Ad Preview and Diagnostics tool. Thank you for watching. Please proceed to Chapter 22. How to add keywords. Inside that video, we are going to take a look at how to add keywords, step by step. See you in the next tutorial.